Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial that will demonstrate how to change image shape on Squarespace. So how to manipulate the shape of your pictures on your website. Just before I show you that, I'd like to bring your attention to the link in the description for this video that will take you to a free trial version of the Squarespace editor. So if you want to give this all a go, just click that as a link down below. And the process of doing this, the process of changing the shape of your image, is actually quite simple and straightforward. So you can either double click the picture itself, or if you single click it and then select that little pencil icon which takes you to the edit box, obviously move it out the way of the image so you can see the effects taking shape, and then click the design tab here at the top. So as opposed to content, hit design, and then obviously on the right hand side then you can see the word shape, and that allows you to pick from some different preset shapes and then stretch those shapes to fit your image as well. So I'm going to turn that on so you can see a little bit more of it. That's obviously just an on and off button, and then if you go into this little menu, it allows you to then to pick from quite an extensive range of different shapes under these sort of ratio categories. So that's quite a typical one there that we've got on. You can change that to kind of suit any need that you may have as well on your site. If you're building it into like a little selection menu or whatever you're doing with your image, those are some of the preset shapes that you can just pick from there, as you can see. Obviously then when you scale that image up and down, the shape does so as well, and that has also then given us the ability to kind of change the aspect ratio of that image as well. Okay, so you can see that when I'm scaling the image now with my mouse, the aspect ratio doesn't stick as it would when you've just got a normal sort of size shape, a normal size image, sorry. And that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said at the beginning, there's a free version of the Squarespace editor available for you as a link in the description for this video. And if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any questions or anything like that, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.